All right, so we have another CarPlay adapter, wireless CarPlay adapter. This one's from CarABC. You can see right here. And I guess if you just let it sit on the main page for a while, you get a $20 off your first order. So that's kind of nice, I guess. This is the CarABC H5 AI box wireless CarPlay adapter. Now, this is not probably one of the more budget friendly, I guess, ones, but it does seem to have AI in the title, so that's kind of cool. And it is on sale right now. I don't know if it'll be on sale when you guys are reading this, but $259. And let's take a look at what this thing's all about. Number one, this is the box it comes in right here. Boom, boom. So this is for cars that have wired CarPlay. This allows you to have wireless CarPlay. I do like the circle look, the cool lights, I guess. It looks like it has cool lights. What else we have here? From the App Store, you can get, and I'm guessing because this is going to be running Android, internally, of course, it will be able to work with CarPlay and or Android Auto, but it does say you have access to all kinds of apps, which is kind of cool because a lot of them, don't have that, especially on the CarPlay side, the Apple side, because of the fact that it has to meet a certain criteria or condition for it to be accessible on CarPlay. What else do we have here? Android 12, there you go. Dual Bluetooth 4.2 and 5.0. Qualcomm 6125 chip, UFS 2.1. I don't know what that is. And LPDDR4 memory in it, so for RAM. What does it say? Wireless connection, no mobile connection required. That's kind of nice. Stable and uninterrupted versus a wired one. True that. It says connect. So this is one of the things you have to realize too. Your car may have multiple USB ports on it if you have wired CarPlay, but usually only one of them actually is a data port. So make sure you plug it into that one, authorized via your phone, and you're done. That sounds nice and easy. So we'll do that in the car once we're done here. Again, this is some more specs of what is actually inside it. 4 gigs plus 64 gigs. Well, that's nice. That is nice. And you can even put a SIM card in it. There's a bunch of Type-C connectors. You can put in your micro SD or TF card. There's an HDMI out. Very, very cool. It's got a whole bunch of coolness. All right, this is the box. You guys again can see it right there. And pretty simple. Pretty simple. I'm home. I've been home now for just a couple of days from traveling. You'll see those videos. They may be coming out now. They may be coming out after this one. I'm not 100% sure. But I've been home for like 2 days. This sweater was so nice because it was like furless. Now I'm home and it's full of cat and dog hair everywhere. I love them, but it was really nice to have clothes without hair all over it. I'm gonna just tell you that. Anyway, this is Android, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Anything else on here? Video play, quick connect, plug and play, and stronger compatibility. It's a tight box. Okay, so we get a user manual, but based on their saying that it's super easy to connect, maybe I won't even need this. I will keep it handy though. This is my, I'm guessing, correct way to connect with the car. Does it have an incorrect? Nope. Oh, this fancy. Look at that. It's like some kind of weird jewelry almost. CarABC. Look at the lights on it. Very cool. I'm not sure. This looks like it's probably like almost like for heat dissipation, possibly. But there's going to be your USB-C port. This is going to be your SIM card right there, as well as your micro SD card or TF card. And there's your HDMI out. Looks, I can't tell, is that like mini HDMI possibly? All right, that's cool. I like that. And you get a whack load of cables. So you do get a SIM card removal tool, which is good. I actually need those because I can't find mine. USB-C to USB-C, depending on, I guess, on how you're connecting it to your car. This one is, I like this. I actually really like these guys because these are USB-A. Yes, USB-A. You guys can see it here. but it goes to USB-A as well, but it also has a pass-through. So that's actually nice too. So you can plug another device into it. And then you have a USB-A to USB-C. So really, depending on what kind of car you have and what the connector is like, etc., you should easily be able to find a cable that you need. I think I need this one. I think this is the one I need right here. And I think maybe something like this could be useful. Maybe, I'm not even 100% sure. Maybe if you wanted to extend it somehow, you could kind of plug that in to the car and then plug this in and then plug, maybe, I don't know, possibly. Now, the bonus for me, I have no doubts in my mind that this is going to function as a wireless CarPlay adapter. No, nothing. I'm like, yeah, why would it not work? But my curiosity is the ability to do all the other stuff, you know? So like play Netflix on it or mirror it or play whatever. Because if I'm sitting, and this happens a lot, we go out shopping, me and my wife, and especially my wife and my daughter, they'll go into a store and I'm like, yeah, I'm not interested. I'm just going to sit here in the car and just wait for you guys, if that's cool. Being able to, you know, maybe watch YouTube or something like that on the screen on the car, cool. All right, let's go hook it up. Okay, so we're in the car. It is on. I did try to connect it before, and I wasn't quite sure what I was doing, so I figured a manual may be actually really good. We're going to plug this in here. And like I said, I do have the manual because I think the manual may be important at this time, because you do have to connect something that says, or an app that's called SpeedPlay. Now, the one thing to realize, it does take a little bit of time for it to boot up. Now, mine may boot up maybe a little faster, maybe a little slower. You can see some information here because I do have it connected to my Bluetooth already. As far as I know, it should connect to my Bluetooth, but it does change colors depending. And this SpeedPlay, I believe, is the most important thing. So please connect a Bluetooth AI box, which it is. Okay, you'll see it shows pair device. Yes, this one. I don't know if we're supposed to do anything because there is a CarABC 01 disconnected. So it says, please turn on the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on your phone. Search for the Bluetooth name displayed on your car screen in the Bluetooth list. Wait for the connection to establish successfully, and the CarPlay Android function will be activated. So maybe I have to disconnect and reconnect it. So let's do that. So let's go into Bluetooth. First off, I'm connected to my car as well, so I'm going to forget the Bluetooth device. I'm going to, yeah, there it is. I'm going to make sure I forget the car. Now, I'm just doing this because sometimes some devices, that is just, you know, something that it is. So I'm going to, iPhone forever, I'm going to say, can I say connect? Let's see if it will connect to it. And we're seeing down at the bottom, you guys may be able to see this. Bluetooth would like to pair, so I'm going to say yes. See, it says allow contacts. Connecting, Bluetooth connected. I'm wondering if I have to, what is this? Do I have to connect to this too? Because it hasn't done that, maybe? I don't know what that is. CarABC 01. CarABC 01, I definitely don't have that in here. Is it a Wi-Fi thing? CarABC 01. Still nothing. Assuming there are existing pairing records of your phone's Bluetooth and the car's Bluetooth, please delete them before use. They will allow the AI box to connect and operate more efficiently. So again, I'm wondering if, you know, because I'm going to go back into my Bluetooth. I don't even think, so we'll make sure I guess, I don't want to disconnect this because my watch. It is very, very bizarre because, like I even said, my car is not even connected. I don't even know where the car went. How bizarre is that? This shows, right, Bluetooth, AI box, wireless CarPlay, right? I tap on that. Please connect. Oh, now it says connecting. Maybe I had to exit out and come back. There we go. Use CarPlay. So once it was connected, you have to come out and come back in again. At least I did. There we go. Little bit of troubleshooting. Okay, so now see it says SpeedPlay, which is excellent. That means you have to go in and set it up.
and then you kind of have to come back out again and then go back in again to tell it to use it once the Bluetooth is connected. Needless to say, I'm going to put my phone down because I don't think that's really that important right now. We can go in here and play around. Yes, CarPlay should work like a champ, right? Then we can come in here and say, get back out to my car, which brings us to this screen. Now, in this screen, two things. You can either have a SIM card actually in the CarABC, or like me, you could have in your settings, you actually see that there's Wi-Fi, and inside here, you could actually see it says Wi-Fi off. So I could turn my Wi-Fi on. You don't want to have this on all the time, but let's say you did for whatever reason. Once it's there, then I could connect, let's say, to my phone. Let's see if it shows up in here, which it should at some point. There it is. Oh, it even says it's connected now. So it just took a minute. All right. And then when we come out of here, we simply have this screen, which is awesome because now I can be like, I would like to listen to YouTube music if I had that, which I don't. So I don't know why I picked that. I could choose, I would like to, because I'm sitting here, let's say, waiting for the missus. I could watch it on my phone, but that's small. So I could just come up here and be like, hey, let's just search for me. Yes. And click. Come on now, that's fantastic. Right? It's literally YouTube on here. Does it?
All right, guys. So you're just doing a look.
That's so good. And there's no like.
Really don't even know.
There's no delay because I know when I watch on my phone and it plays through the speakers, you get delay, and it looks good once it actually connects.
Genius. Yeah, Driver Genius. This is it right here. Driver.
Oh, that's fantastic. That's so good. And then I should be able to just be like, don't want this. Right? Push it down. Click on this. Let's see, I want to watch Disney Plus for whatever reason in the car. I should be able to. Or you stop somewhere, and I'll say update. You stop somewhere, and there's free Wi-Fi in the parking lot, for instance. Boom. Now make sure you sign into Google Play to get all this stuff accessible, and we should be good. Make sure you run your updates too. That's what I'm going to do right now, just to make sure everything's functioning properly and current. All right, guys. Yeah, I like this. This is very cool. All right, my friends. This is the CarABC AI box. I wish it was a little bit smaller, just so I could tuck it away a little better. But other than that, yeah, it's definitely cool. All right, my friends. Links down below if you're interested, and we'll talk to you guys later.